Hey guys, it's me again. I got another box for December still. So this is my Dermstore BeautyFIX box. I actually think that the delay in this box was my issue because I had canceled a card out and reordered a new one. So it messed up my payment and then I had to put in my new card numbers. Anyway, this is for December. I have my tracking for January, which should probably be here in a couple days. But I do want to get this out of the way. I'd like to be consistent with my subscriptions and keep a nice record of everything on my channel. So we are going to do a unboxing for this box for December. If you want to see what December's Dermstore BeautyFIX box looks like, if you haven't seen it yet, stay tuned. For those of you guys that don't know about Dermstore BeautyFIX, it's a $24.95 a month subscription. It initially was more geared towards high-end skincare and hair care products. Once in a while, well, just about every time lately, I've been getting like a makeup product in there. But it's always high-end stuff. Like last month, I think this was $85 in value. Not last month, for November. I had got this Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. Look how big this bottle is. And it retailed, I'm pretty sure it was like $85 or $89. So this was like their main focus of that box. And then everything else to me was just, you know, a bonus. So that's really like, Dermstore really does stuff like that for me. They always do like a big wow. And then they'll give you a whole bunch of other things that you haven't really tried. Or maybe they're just too expensive to try. So they, you know, you get all different kinds of sizes. But usually get one massive great deal product in the box. I know I do spoilers every month, but to be honest, I really lost track of what is in this box for December. And I really don't even think I know what's coming for this month. That's going to be here any day. I lost my box cutter, so I am like about to poke my eyes out. They always come in this nice pretty blue box. Dermstore usually is one of the first boxes I get every month, so this is what it looks like when you open it. And their box always says, healthy skin and hair begin here. And then they have their little leaflet here. So let me just get this stuff moved around before I knock something over, like I always do. And their leaflet says, it's the most glamorous time of the year. The inside always has a list of the products that are in the box. And a description, sometimes tips on how to use their stuff. Never a price though. So after I take out the leaflet, this is what I see. And I have the leaflet in front of me with all the info. So we're just going to go down. I'm very thorough with my unboxing with Dermstore because they have some really cool, interesting things. Sometimes, most of the time, I don't even know what they are. So this first one that I grab out is by Nia24, which I'm familiar with. It's niacin powered skin therapy gentle cleansing cream in 30 mLs. And it says here, this gentle yet powerful cleanser is perfect for banishing daily dirt and grime while keeping skin hydrated in harsh winter weather. One thing I like about Dermstore, and they've been really consistent with it, is they always have safety seals, if you can see that, on their products. Because I have so many products that come in so fast, sometimes I don't have time to use these right away and test them out. So it's good for me that they're sealed. Doesn't really start the expiration for me, and well, I never really looked into that. Anyway, the next thing is by Enerzo Lazio. It's a hydrate and nourish lotion in 15 mLs. This is the packaging. And what does the leaflet say about this little guy here? Cold temperatures drying out your skin. This alcohol-free toner will soothe and replenish your skin with the hydration it craves. Exactly what I need right now. So I took this little bad boy out of the box, and this is what it looks like. It is tiny, but for a toner, you really don't need a lot. And I think this is more than enough for me to see if I actually like it and if it's going to do any good for me. Super excited. And here is a makeup product. This is actually by Dermstore. It's Lip Quench Sheer Tints. It's, what color is this? Because it could have came in two colors. All right, Red Delicious. I'm not going to open this, but it does say keeps lip tinted and fully moisturized all winter long with our signature hydrating lip stain. Color will vary. So I could have gotten Orchid Berry or this one. I'm going to keep it sealed because red's not my color, even though I need a moisturizer. And maybe it'll go in one of my giveaways for this year, because I have a lot of giveaways going on. I didn't even tell you guys, for this month's box, there's 12 products in here. So the next one is by R&Co. It says Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion in 15 mLs. It says create balanced, luscious hairstyles all winter long with this hydrating and smoothing cream. Let me just see. I can definitely use this and see what that smells like. Oh, it's not greasy. And it smells really clean. Why am I going out of focus? There we go. It does smell really clean, so I'm super excited to try this. My hair is like crap right now, and I'm trying to get it all back after bleaching and dyeing it. So hopefully this will help. I think that was number 4. I'm losing track. Ooh, what is this? This is what I see. This is really cool looking. Youngblood Eye Illuminating Duo. This is by Youngblood Cosmetics Eye Illuminating Duo. This dual-ended pencil features a matte and shimmer highlight that will give your holiday glam extra sparkle. Okay, so on here it says shimmer on one side and matte on the other. I've never even heard of them. That is pretty cool. I don't know if you could see that. That's the shimmer side. Let's check out the matte side. Oh, I like stuff like this. That pencil's really got me intrigued right now. It reminds me of the highlighting pencil I used for my Full Face Friday when I outlined my brow bone. And then I went back in with a little bit of my Dirty Little Secret highlighting powder and just like pressed it up there. Really made my eyebrows pop. I'm sure there's other things you can do with it, so I'm going to have fun playing around with that one. The next product is by Ren Clear Skincare. It's the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm in 5 mLs. If that will focus. It's not. It says, give your skin a little extra love after a night of heavy makeup, partying, and a little sleep with this soothing recovery balm. I don't even know if I read that right. It sounded weird, didn't it? Anyway, they have great products. Can't wait to try this one either. That was the 6th one. I'm trying to keep track, you guys. This is by Neostrata. And it says, Skin Active Cellular Restoration. Slow aging, boost collagen production, and repair your skin's matrix while you snooze. Helps restore essential cells, lifts and firms, reduces oxidative damage. What size is this? I don't see a size on here, but it's just enough to get me hooked, and then I'll be stuck buying like a $100 bottle of some night cream. I've never heard of them. Have you guys heard of this one? It sounds really interesting though. So somehow we're going to have to test this one out on a skincare Sunday maybe. My 2-year-old granddaughter is playing outside my door. And I keep getting distracted. So if I start like smiling for no reason, it's because I hear her cute little voice. Anyway, this product is by Bioderma, which I'm sure most of us have heard of. Hydro Bio Serum in Concentrate. Let's see what this says. Create a natural glow that will put any highlighter to shame with this moisture-rich serum. That's what that looks like. And it's in 5 mLs. Never heard of it. I mean, I've heard of the brand, never heard of that product. That's another cool one to try. See what I mean about Dermstore? There's so much right here that I've never tried. And I cannot wait. It's like so exciting. Dermstore is infamous for this. And I absolutely love it. It might drive some of these crazy. I got all the stuff that I could see, right? And then there is some big stuff underneath. They do it to me all the time. And it just gives me something to look forward to when I'm doing my unboxings. So we're just going to look at here. Yay. This is by Murad, one of my favorite companies. Awesome, awesome. This is a renewing eye cream in 4 mLs. When your schedule is packed with holiday party after holiday party, wake up, look refreshed with this rejuvenating eye cream. I love Murad's products. Unfortunately, I've never gotten anything big enough to give. That's my grandson. And he's 1. He'll be 2 soon. But yeah, but you're right. I've never gotten a big enough product to really give it a trial, like a really good trial. See how tiny this one is? It's kind of a bummer. The thing with them is that they're so good. What I was saying is, now they're both going at it. Murad's so good that usually I can start to see some benefits from these little tiny samples I get from them. But it's just like, I don't know, kind of irritating in a way. Thankfully, I have so many other products that I can just go on to the next. I'm not like leaving myself hanging dry with the question if I want to spend, I don't know, 80 bucks for something like this, or just go on to the next product. And most of the time, that's what I just do. But I am excited to try it. There has been a couple products that I've tried in the past like this that were tiny, and I just had to buy them. So this might be one of them because I hate all of this around my eyes. This product, it's another big thing for me, is my teeth. I love my white teeth, or keeping my teeth white, because I'm a cigarette smoker and I drink coffee. So I'm very conscious about the color of my teeth. So this is by Super Smile. It's a mini deluxe professional whitening system. Fill your Instagram profile with tons of holiday pictures featuring your stunning white smile. It's a 2-part whitening system in original mint. It's a toothpaste plus accelerator. I've not tried this, but this is something we could do on the channel. I don't know if it's enough to show results. It says to do it for 2 minutes twice a day. Boo! We're down to 2 things left. And I see on the paper, the one's by Beauty Blender. Okay. It's by Beauty Blender. I have no idea what this is. The original Beauty Blender sample size. It says number 1, push to dispense water. 2, press to saturate. Number 3, open, then squeeze to feel the unique foam. Test with your favorite foundation. It's the original Beauty Blender foam sampler. Give yourself flawless skin without streaks or excess product with this innovative water-activated makeup applicator. I know that they increase in size, and I guess that's what it's supposed to do. But I'm not really impressed. I don't know. Have you guys seen this? I'm still stuck on this Beauty Blender thing, and I want to go to the last product because it looks really big at the bottom of the box. But what the heck is this? Is this water in here? And they just did this creative packaging to demonstrate how big it gets? I love my Beauty Blenders, and I've tried a lot of them. I'm still trying different companies, but I always go back to the original Beauty Blender. I absolutely love them. But what the hell is this? Seriously. Ugh, that just pissed me off. Alright, let me get out. There is something big in here, and it's a big box. Before I even look at it, I want to make sure that's it, because I lost track. It's all fuzzy. This is Harry Josh Pro Tools 6 lightweight pro makeup and wave setting clips for all hair types. I actually have a brush from them that we got from them, and I like this brush. I know some of you girls didn't, but I do. Reminds me of a wet brush, and it doesn't rip out my hair. So these are pretty cool. What does it say? Set your updo curls or waves with these creaseless clips, or keep your hair in perfect condition while applying your holiday glam. So it comes in this cute little packaging. Oh, cool. Is this a bag for it too? Look. Watch them all go flying everywhere. It is a bag. A drawstring bag, I think. Yep. Wait, which end does it open? I feel them moving in there. Okay, so let's get the little Harry Josh thingy here. Some fuzzies on it. Let's see. Oh, these are cool. Right now, I use like these little things like this for my hair when I do my makeup and stuff. But these are cool. I wonder if they'll hold my hair. Yep. I mean, obviously not going to wear these for a fashion show, but like to wash my face or do my makeup, all the little baby hairs I have, they can stay out of the way. I know I'm a dork. It's the little things though, you guys. It really is the little things that make me happy. This is great for me. I'm super stoked about it. Like, I just came back from Canada for New Year's Eve and I spent 2 hours curling my hair in the hotel. These would have came in handy when I was doing my makeup instead of using a whole bunch of these little baby ones that were everywhere. And I think I broke a couple in the process. Let me know what you guys think about Dermstore. You know I absolutely love this subscription. When I first started my channel, this was one of the beginning boxes that I got, but it wasn't like my channel was based off of makeup, and then I had got this one. And it turned me on to healthy skincare completely. New brands, new products. It made me want to have a regular skin routine. It made me want to do better. It made me more conscious of my skin and what I was doing to it with the makeup. So I'm trying to do an even balance, and you know, I want to wear the makeup, but I want my skin to look good too. I'm pushing 40. So I'm trying to stay young as long as I can, you know? Let me know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. And I will talk to you guys again real soon because all of my boxes are going to be coming in back to back. I will see you all again real soon and have a good night. Bye.